conversion row has indeed paralyzed the parliament, with the opposition cornering the government in both the houses, demanding the PM's statement over faith politics. Times Now brings you the inside story, where sources now claim that PM Modi has ordered his ministers not to respond on the issue, while the VHP cheers on the mass conversion push.
Agra, Aligarh, Bastipur conversion drives across these towns has sparked a national debate, forcing the government on the back foot. But there is more visual proof, this time from Valsad in Gujarat.
हिंदू शिक्षा दीक्षा कार्यक्रम आज रखा गया है, जिसमें 100 जैसे परिवार जो क्रिश्चियन धर्म में जा चुके थे, वो वापिस हिंदू धर्म अंगीकार करके यहाँ उनका हवन और अरणाई कुंड में उनका स्नान करके अच्छा एक देही कार्यक्रम हुआ है.
And this endorsement from the RSS, backed by the VHP, has only made matters worse.
जो भूले भटके बिछड़ गए उनको वापस लाएंगे. हमारे ऐसे ही गए हैं, खुद नहीं गए, लोग लालच जबरदस्ती से लूट लिए गए.
आज एक प्रभुसत्ता हमारे देश में कायम हुई है, जो हिंदुत्व की रक्षा करने के लिए कटिबद्ध है, और हमारी जो मान्यताएं हैं, इन मान्यताओं को धीरे धीरे फिर से इस देश के भीतर फिर से प्रतिष्ठित हों. हम चाहते हैं कि इस विश्व के भीतर.
And the BJP is trying hard to distance itself while pushing for a debate on anti-conversion bill.
जहां तक कन्वर्जन का सवाल है, कानून बनने से ये सवाल समाप्त हो जाएगा, किसी को डिरेल करने का सवाल नहीं होगा. और जहां तक सो कॉल्ड फ्रिंज ग्रुप की आप बात कर रहे हैं, बीजेपी अपने विकास के एजेंडे पे अड़िग है.
As the faith politics controversy has snowballed into a big problem for the government, it is facing constant attacks from the opposition, especially inside Parliament. And that's why now the Prime Minister has stepped in, issuing a diktat to all his ministers to not comment on the issue at all. He does not want any of them to add to the debate or express their views on the issue in any manner, and all of them have been told to toe that line.
Prime Minister Saab has given some direction to party MPs and party leaders. That is, whatever the advice is given is taken seriously. And as far as Amit Shahji's statement yesterday is concerned, yes, that is the stand taken by the party in the parliament itself.
Will the silence help in keeping the focus on reforms, or will the undercurrent prove costly? Bureau Report, Times Now.